go rata Mal yana ka Malsal Dal Valdover. Oh guys, ke na le mathata wait. Ke mangaleng ke tlhoka go na something se ke se tlhokang. Mara ke batla go setsa ka di-shortcuts. Shortcut. I don't want to do it the right way. Another thing, bank it's a laptop. Athi umnax wakho akaziwa umfakelene kwi-Q&A yakho ngoba wena awufuna ukufakwa. Angifuna ukufakwa phi ngikhuluma ngani kwenzakalani? Wembo saphuma indaba. What are you talking about? Amaqiniso wodwa. Kwenzakalani? Angifuna ukufakwa phi kwenzakalani? Why did you open me straight for saying Cocomelon? Okay. Guys, ke lapile bona lapile ma go se sebetse sepe. Mina ang understand. Ngiyayifuna le ndaba. Upha amaqiniso wodwa. What did she say that? Nina ke batlo itse go etsagalang mtletleleng. Futhi aka request sixoxele. She's lying. Nane ke fela khale go senya. We better have some baselemus. Umzimba uyadecline with us. Kanjani? On TikTok live, that girl hates the relevant. Haibo. So what was going on? What was the topic? Request Monday Villa picture the whole day. Apparently. Okay, did my life for the whole day. The week like Woo! Sorry guys, kita le comments. Kita le comments, akhalisa boni. I mean, you are tired. Your eyes shouldn't get up. Where and when did you learn Zulu? I don't know. She's always live on TikTok. People were asking questions there if Nyazwana guys, please super so you can tell. We can outline. Guys, please so we can get the story thing. Amaqiniso kene analidaba antotlele. I saw the live as well, but didn't finish it. I didn't hear the Q&A part. Maqiniso was a full story. Yes, umaqiniso akafuna ukusitshela istory. Kanti ke nalidaba. I mean, honestly, I'm always live on. I will go live on Instagram. Akafuna request maqiniso. No, actually, I think I don't know. You said you're taking pills on national TV. What pills? On her lives on TikTok, they speak about you. How? waze wathi laba bathi abafuna ukuhlala emzini bayazenzisa. Mshengu tere. Nomoya ophansi nna moya ophansi nna ke lapile mara nna moya ophansi never sis never. Singa haba ke khutla kwana ke leng ke mmitsa ra phone truth eyaziwa uyena yedwa no. Tebe unjani kuyaphila unjani ke go rata gore I love you too. La bora we Liliana. Miss your lives, of course, Dad. Kambe we used to go live. Bophelo bo changile. Ngeta abakhaya ku live bayazi nje seningaphika kodwa kakumnandi nihleka. Yazi umaqiniso akayithandanga lento eniyenzile. Akayithandanga nje wabona. I'm just sitting in front of TV. Wamithi wayithi bantu yaluba lapha. Yo. Yeah, the only cast member that is giving us the show. Le go gana yana lona wenje ya fela go tshegisa ka nna ha e taba ya gago. Because wow. Yeah, we guys. Yeah. I really feel like single you but I don't understand no worrying. Next time I will bring evidence, guys. How am I going to see evidence here and sis? Pepe man, most izinto zaku social media maqiniso. Labona lona letsa amaqiniso go tla ka evidence amalisa etsa yana. Amaqiniso bua nnete. Ukhuluma iqiniso njengegama lakhe. Some people really bought those gifts on your birthday and get really garbage. So Nina, asking about PrEP, is it the first time hearing about it from DL? Babu Tlebongiwe. Don't worry, Maqinisa. Ndizomfaka la live. Mam Kobozi, do the Lord's working, yes, sis. Nindifakelani kule nto? Ndikupheni kule nto? But this season inokubhoranyana. Do you ever read Twitter's comments after the show? 1.8 Tabi. Oh, who's asking? Opl. Are you okay, my love? Oh, my Sheila. I'm okay. The Bobby Feisty Tiralo introduced to is no longer there. I can't wait for the day you decide to choose yourself. Yes, I'm still like that. But Yaboglia season Benki Goa. Like, yo guys. Woo! Benki Goa enyinto engachazeki. Hey Benki Goa. Engiyengago empilweni gobisa umjolo. Angiqala nqa in my life. Hey, niki famba moyeni ki fuck off. Ya bora nyani le season. Kanti li batla eng? Why are you guys saying it's boring? What do you guys want? Because no one is screaming at another. Wara. Lisile Luna. Can I see your nails? Here are my nails. How are you doing? I'm good, my baby. How are you? Are you okay now? I'm okay now, Toby. But this season was short. It was short in Jane. Do you read negative comments from socials? How do you handle the hate you receive? And I just take it that, I mean, it's reality. Nami, I love reality TV shows. I do watch them. And I do have opinions. It's just that telling how ke di kwala ko social media. Ke tlotla le di chomi tsa ka gore yo bone mamang eng wa ba. So ke tla ira ya ga gona se se nka se tsang. So ya la so shuti aibo. January. We want drama. You guys want drama. Halifetsa use a drama thing against Rona. So the people that talk. I feel like this season takes too long on one person if a kuluma. Maybe we batla ulwe le ngwanola. Yo shem, obana no so niki choose the peace. My friend, the one that I was with on the first episode, I still remember on the day when I was going to shoot that scene. And I was like to her friend, my instincts are telling me something. And she was like, friend, keep calm. She was like, just be calm. Yo, marakapal, RNG. Are une calm, je. Kaba calm. The girl even said, Gaga for me, Dotimbis and get so shy. So you don't take any advice from your elders? What do you mean, Tabeleng? In terms of what? Man, just so to know where I go. Mjolo ngubana, zana. And I can see Zoji, Gizindo, Tulamtana. ngikutshela wena. I'm sorry guys, but I wanted a lot to be aware. We need a spin-off show following you and Spindy's Tembo. Don't give them drama until next season. Zip your mouth. They will go to the other one. Are you guys acting or it's real? Aibo, it's real. Suke mawungibona ngifokofa lapha wazi ukuthi kanako eunekifoko kanite. Being a parent means knowing the cartoon songs as well. Lalela wesiz. Ngekuzulu ngimpela. Ufelisa udithi before mungatsoni bile. Chapeau, crème.